Hello and welcome to a new video. Factory reset is an option when you want to make your PC be when you bought it. But what if you have a laptop and your battery goes out and if something bad will happen, how to fix it? Well, today I'm gonna show you. So, first, we gotta load up settings here to actually reset this PC. If you don't know how to find it, just go to System and Recovery and click Reset PC. It will open a little tab here and you can just choose. But it will take long, so I'm gonna see you when it's done. So, hello, and we're here, and Windows is currently reinstalling, but what should you do so this does not happen to you? So first of all, if you have a laptop, just plug it in so it does not like run on a battery. And if you have a PC, just it says here, please keep your computer on and plug it in. Yeah. But what happens when it reboots? Well, we're gonna do that, and we're gonna see error. Install Windows. The computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. Windows installation cannot proceed. To install Windows, click OK to restart the computer and restart the installation. It's telling us to click OK, so we're gonna click OK. And as you can see, the error is here again. But we pressed OK as it told us, so what should we do? Well, we can just move this error away and press F10 to launch the console. And here we will launch registry editor. We will go exactly to this location. So, hockey local machine system, then find setup, then find status, and then find child completion. That will be n key setup.exe with the type reg underscore d word, and it will have data 1. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this value and we're gonna change the data to 3. I don't know why Windows can do this on their own. It works on multiple versions of Windows and it's basically one registry change. So why cannot it do it itself? But we're not gonna just look at that. We're gonna press OK. Close. We're gonna exit here. And as the installation tells us, click OK. And as you can see, we're installing again. This is not edited, so I'm gonna just wait here to let you know that this is not fake and this is real. And as you can see, we're on the desktop. I don't know why we have the Windows 10 taskbar right here. We're on Windows 11, but yeah, this was the video to show that you can recover your PC if it just bars off in the factory reset process. And I will see you in the next video.